Calgary is currently experiencing a significant weather shift, with a snowfall warning in effect as issued by Environment Canada. The warning predicts heavy snowfall throughout the night, affecting travel conditions and daily activities. The snowfall is expected to begin as a rain-snow mix this afternoon, gradually transitioning into heavy snow by the evening. General accumulations of 5 to 10 centimeters are expected across the city, with some areas potentially seeing up to 15 centimeters of snow. The severity of snowfall will vary across different localities, making it essential for residents to stay informed and take necessary precautions. The current weather in Calgary is mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 8 degrees Celsius, 46 degrees Fahrenheit. As the day progresses, cloud cover is expected to increase, bringing a chance of showers in the afternoon. By the evening, temperatures will drop significantly, causing the precipitation to turn into snow. This abrupt change in weather conditions highlights the unpredictability of spring in Calgary, where rapid shifts between mild and cold weather are common. Commuters and residents are advised to stay updated with weather forecasts and prepare for potential delays due to deteriorating road conditions. Looking ahead, the forecast for Wednesday, April the 3rd, 2025, indicates colder temperatures, with periods of snowfall continuing throughout the day. The temperature will hover around 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, with snowfall accumulations reaching 5 to 10 centimeters in some areas. Snowfall is expected to persist into Thursday, April 4th, 2025, adding another 2 to 4 centimeters of snow. The extended cold spell will create challenging conditions for drivers, prompting officials to warn of slippery roads and reduced visibility. Residents are encouraged to drive cautiously and ensure their vehicles are equipped with winter tires to navigate the icy conditions safely. By Friday, April the 5th, 2025, the weather is expected to improve slightly, with temperatures rising to 6 degrees Celsius, 44 degrees Fahrenheit, and a mix of sunshine and clouds. However, the warmth will be short-lived as the cold weather continues to influence the region. Saturday, April 6th, 2025, will see a further increase in temperature, reaching 13 degrees Celsius, 56 degrees Fahrenheit, offering a much-needed break from the chilly conditions. This warming trend will persist into Sunday, April 7th, 2025, and Monday, April 8th, 2025, with temperatures climbing to 16 degrees Celsius, 61 degrees Fahrenheit, and 19 degrees Celsius, 66 degrees Fahrenheit, respectively. The gradual improvement in weather will provide relief to residents, allowing for outdoor activities and travel without the disruptions caused by snow and ice. Despite the upcoming warming trend, it is crucial for residents to remain cautious during the next couple of days, as heavy snowfall poses potential risks. Environment Canada has urged the public to monitor weather alerts and avoid unnecessary travel during peak snowfall periods. Rapidly accumulating snow can create hazardous driving conditions, and reduced visibility may lead to accidents on the road. Those who must travel are advised to allow extra time for their commutes and to carry emergency supplies such as blankets, food, and water in case of unexpected delays. As Calgary transitions from the snowy conditions to milder spring weather, it serves as a reminder of the city's dynamic climate. From heavy snowfall warnings to sudden warm spells, Calgary residents must always be prepared for unpredictable weather changes. Keeping an eye on weather updates, following safety guidelines, and making necessary adjustments to daily routines will help ensure safety during this transitional period. Whether facing freezing temperatures or enjoying the upcoming warmth, staying informed and adapting to changing conditions will be key to navigating Calgary's ever-changing weather patterns. To better prepare for these changing weather conditions, residents should keep an emergency kit handy. This kit should include essentials such as warm clothing, non-perishable food, a flashlight, extra batteries, and a first aid kit. It is also advisable to keep an ice scraper and extra blankets in vehicles, as unexpected snowfalls can lead to prolonged delays on the roads. For those commuting daily, checking weather updates before leaving home and planning alternate routes can prevent unnecessary inconveniences. Additionally, home maintenance plays a crucial role in adapting to these shifting weather conditions. Ensuring proper insulation, sealing any drafts, and checking heating systems can help maintain indoor comfort during sudden cold spells. As the temperatures rise, residents should also prepare for the melting snow by clearing drainage paths to prevent water accumulation and potential flooding. By taking these preventive measures, homeowners can avoid costly repairs and create a safer living environment. Finally, maintaining a flexible routine is essential when dealing with Calgary's fluctuating weather. Dressing in layers allows residents to adjust to varying temperatures throughout the day. Outdoor plans should be made with contingency options in mind, considering the possibility of sudden changes in weather. By staying informed, prepared, and adaptable, residents can confidently navigate Calgary's climate shifts and embrace the beauty of all seasons. As the city moves towards warmer days, embracing these proactive habits will ensure a smoother and safer transition into spring.